Let me get back to my editorial at the top of the hour when I said the 5 big tech companies do not care about tax reform. They're immune from the failure of the growth agenda. Immune. That's my position. Bruce Bittles is with us, Baird Chief Investment Strategist. What do you say, Bruce? I say they're immune from politics. It doesn't count. They don't care about it. What say you?
Well, you know, the markets really don't care about politics that much either. I mean, the markets really do best when you have political gridlock. But with that said, you know, those 5 companies are not desperate for tax reform, but they're not indifferent either to the economy. So if we get tax reform and the economy gets a boost, and it includes repatriating those overseas funds at a favorable tax level, I can't see why they wouldn't be happy about that. It's not ecstatic.
Are you, like the rest of us, looking at these 5 technology companies and just being amazed at how far they've come and how much power and capital they've acquired?
Well, it's not really unusual for a market to be led by a specific group of stocks. I mean, it happens almost all the time. But the fact that the market breadth has improved in the second quarter over what we saw in the first quarter, I think, tells the story even better. I mean, the markets have done really well and thrived, actually, in an era where you have politics dominating the news. And I think that's really been a benefit. It's kept enthusiasm for the markets down. Yeah. Markets typically top out if two things happen. One, if investors get extremely optimistic, or 2, interest rates ratchet up rapidly. And neither of those is present in this example. Yeah. So this market looks to me like it's going to continue to do well.
That's fascinating. And by the way, you can't see this, Bruce, but on the left-hand side of the screen, we've got Facebook at 165, Amazon record high, 1,028, Microsoft pushing towards 74, etc., etc. You're right on target, Bruce Bittles. Thanks for joining us, sir. Appreciate it. Okay.
Thanks.